Let's just start. I did have to pause the video to go and do something, that's why the timer was stopped and I forgot to reset it, so I'm gonna put like a thing in the video, like somewhere like over here, that showed how long it actually took. It took maybe like 12 minutes, I think. This was a pretty fun video to make, so if you did enjoy it, please do subscribe, because I'm trying to beat Lord of the Cubes in the subscriber race to 2K subscribers. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.